30 metres max. Managed to get the camera on around this turn. Let's get some speed up. I'm following a couple of locals here, they're moving really well. And yeah, this is what we're going through. Whoa! Don't know, I love it when it rains. It's so much fun. Back wheel spins on you. There's ice warnings. Not that I don't think there'll be any ice now. Black ice, but she's slowly keep in there. Run off. We're going to have a 4-hour horrific ride. Mate, that old Gundagai road with the potholes and the flood warnings are what we're going to keep an eye out for. We won't be down there till later. How many times have I left a motel room and it's been pouring? You can't count them. Guys, I'll get back to you after.